How can we understand if a market or trading venue is saturated in terms of HFT or algo trading? For example, as an HFT firm, I am considering to enter into a new market. How important for me the existing HFT ratio in that market is? So as we discussed, I think earlier, HFT ratio just tells you about how much competition you can expect. So if your strategies are plain vanilla arbitrage strategies, then if the higher HFT ratio would suggest that it might not be a good idea to venture into that market. If your strategies are not plain vanilla strategies, but are more intelligent, uses different data analysis results, like more on the machine learning or more on the, even not necessarily machine learning, but uses more statistical data and makes some decent predictions, in that case, it might not matter that much. Okay, but high HFT ratio definitely means that if you want to venture into the plain vanilla arbitrage kind of strategies, or even to a certain extent market making strategies, you will need to have a very strong technology and infrastructure in place on your end.